Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASMAS kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really exotic drink to share with you. That is PINA COLADA. Extremely yummy. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right? Let's get started with the recipe of this delicious drink. Pineapple chunks 3/4 cup. Juice of 1 lemon optional. Almonds and pistachio chopped. Cream 1 tablespoon. 2 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Sugar 3 tablespoon. Coconut milk powder 2.5 tablespoon. Pineapple juice 3/4 cup. Ice 1 cup. In a blender, put all pineapple chunks. 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. Juice of 1 lemon. 3 tablespoons sugar. And a half tablespoon coconut milk powder. 1 tablespoon cream. And in last 1 cup of ice. Cover its lid and blend it well. Now fill your glasses 3/4 cup and add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And decorate it with chopped almonds. And pistachio. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this recipe, leave comment below, share it with your family and friends, subscribe Asma's Kitchen and don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.